Good morning. Welcome to Loewenwood Forest Homeschool. Welcome! So this is where I homeschool my 5 kiddos. The 2 youngest are not yet school age. And then I have JK grade 2 and grade 4 kiddos. And we do a bilingual program as much as possible, French and English. And we try and be in the forest. Right now, you can probably tell, we are actually in a blizzard warning. So the public schools in our area have canceled bus services, and I'm not sure, but I think some of them are also even closed because of the blizzard-like conditions. Yeah, it's gonna be rough. Right now, we're just starting into the snowfall. Ooh. And the wind is just starting to pick up. So we're at the beginning of the blizzard, and it's only going to get worse through evening, and we're supposed to get a ton of snow in the next 24 hours. It's going to be pretty exciting. Ooh, what are you doing, sweetie? That looks like fun. Nothing like playing in fresh snow. The smiley face on the driveway.
Me?
That was you with your feet?
No, he made the snow angel. I made the face.
What? Where's the snow angel? I didn't see that.
Oh, I think she means the snow angel was the face.
A snow angel on the face? Oh no, you made a snow angel and then you made a face out of it? Is that what you did?
No, a circle around
We made
it.
a snow angel and then we made a speech bubble.
A circle.
Oh, I totally thought it was a face. Oh, interesting.
Also, I saw a tornado.
Whoa, really?
A small one.
Yeah, in the snow?
Yep.
Cool.
I could tell because snowflakes were going in circles.
Super cool.
And it was brushing the snow like that, and then it went calmly back together like that.
Cool.
Except it was way more cool than that.
Kind of like persons, but with blood cells. And basically, we build ourselves in a home right now in a person's body.
We're in a person's body, we're blood cells, and what are we doing?
Well, remember blood cells fight off bad guys? When it's bad germs, we protect.
Right. So you're a white blood cell and you protect against
Yes.
bad guy germs?
Yes, that is actually right.
That's the game you're playing. Wow.
It's something I watched about that before, and I think about it. So that's the game I'm gonna play.
What's your stick for?
No, this is a sword for attacking.
For attacking. Cool. Hi, Carolyn.
Hey!
We in the way of you shoveling?
Why did you push it under my head?
Hey, Jackson!
Oh, you can't.
Oh! Carolyn, look at you. Oh, are you helping out? Are you shoveling the driveway? Wow, you're so helpful. Ooh, that wind is really picking up. Oh, and the rake. Oh. Yeah, load that snow in the shovel. Jackson, move your body so she can put the snow in the shovel. Go ahead, Carolyn. She's trying to put it in the shovel, Jackson. Look out, here she comes again. Oh, no. Put it. She's making a pile right there. Okay, so let me see how snowy you are, Evelyn. You're not too bad. You ready to go in?
Yeah.
Okay, up you get.
Wow. It's so hot.
Okay, Brooklyn, look at me. How snowy are you? You're not too bad. How snowy are you? How snowy are you? Pretty snowy. All right, this is how snowy I am. Not too bad. A little bit of snow there. And there's Carolyn. Oh, you're pretty covered, huh? You didn't want to come in, you silly girl. The 2-year-old wanted to stay outside. She didn't mind all that snow. Look at all the snow in your hood, goodness. So it doesn't look too bad out there, but the wind is so strong. And I'm gonna put right up here all the like speed of the wind and the temperatures it is outside, because it is pretty cool. And then with the wind, it makes it very cold. My hands are like that kind of burny coldness. And you could say it's mittens, but it's more because I have to take my mittens on and off quite often to help with the kids. So that's usually why I'm the coldest first. Anyway, so we came inside. We lasted half an hour, so not bad. And the reason you didn't see Magdalene, she's asleep right now, is, well, because she's asleep, but also today was needles for her. So not only is public school a PD day because of this huge storm, but we also had a PD day because we had to get immunizations for the kids. And so Magdalene, getting her 4-month needles, just took it out of her, so she's been sleeping a lot today. And yeah, so that's why she didn't come out with us. So that is the homeschool for today. Basically, it was not a PD day because that's a professional development day, but it was just a day off. What do you do on terrible weather? Do you let the kids take a day off because they would if they were in public school? Or do you just keep teaching right through? What do you do? Here's our total time for today.